सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग बात जो था वो अपना यूनिट मैजिकल था. एवरी डे इट्स लाइक अ पिकनिक. सुपर.
We've just about gotten started and we really have a long way to go. The whole experience was such an experience for me. But now when it's done, I can't really wait for people to see this film and share the experience that we've had.
कत्तियाँ करूँ, तेरा रूं, कत्तियाँ करूँ, तेरा रूं, तेरा रू, सारे राम.
With rockstar. No, not yet. Film is never over till it's over.
I wish I can shoot for this film every day of my entire acting career because it creatively satisfies me. It fills me up with a space where I want to be with the people who I love.
Imtiaz was not going out there to make one pretty picture. He was not going out there to necessarily just do scale and do an epic film in typical scale terms. He was looking actually to invest the character with very, very deep roots.
A long time back, I must have written the basic sketch of the story and the first screenplay actually around 5 years or 6 years back. That was before Jab We Met was written. Then I worked on it for a while, then I stopped working on it and did other things and came back to it after Love Aajkal and realized that really lots had changed in my mind about the film. The film that I was trying to make at that point of time was, I'm glad that I didn't get around to making it because it was immature, I think. It was more born out of fascination of a guy who becomes a musician.
जो भी मैं कहना चाहूँ बर्बाद करे अल्फाज मेरे.
Now I understand these two people in the story, Heer and Jordan. Now I understand them. I can relate to them. Earlier I could see them and I liked them, but it's not the same thing. Yeah, I always had a sense of I always felt that this script is going to be a slightly treacherous experience for me because it would draw me in drastically. That's just, I think, the nature of the story and the way things happen.
कभी मुझे लगे कि जैसे सारा ही ये जहां है
I had a feeling, I had a fear that the journey would be an internal one and something that involves everyone who's working on it in a personal way.
तुमको नहीं वेट करना किसी का, तुमको अपनी बात कहनी ही है, तुम्हारी बात पहुंचनी ही है. वो पहुंच रही है कि नहीं, तुम देख भी रहे हो कि पहुंच रही है कि नहीं.
College kid who then grows up to become a very big rock star and in the process falls in love with a girl and all the ensuing drama from there. But the way Imtiaz has chosen to tell this story is actually very interesting because of the way the film is structured.
I feel that it involves me more personally, this movie, for some reason. It just involves me more. It's indescribable. I can't put my finger on it, but just involves me more. And I believe that movies demand their own pound of flesh. I'm saying all of this in a negative way. I mean it in a very positive way, actually. That they demand their treatment. They demand what they have to get from you, and you've got to just often just supply that. That's all you've got to do as a director. And so the demand of this movie is, it's more incisive. It's deeper.
जो भी मैं कहना चाहूं बर्बाद करे अल्फाज मेरे अल्फाज
It's not as though I was necessarily looking for a new girl, but I was looking for a particular kind of girl who lives in Delhi, is from a Kashmiri family, and who's very upper crust and appears to be snooty and very beautiful. It's the ideal person who you would go for and hope to get a heartbreak. But at the same time, you discover a side of her which is very personal to her, in which she wants to have fun, just do the wrong thing, because she doesn't really get to do that much in the life that she lives.
चक्री सी पैरों में पैया पैया आया ओ आसमां सर पर घुमा ओ
Then there was a picture of Nargis which this girl who works for me called Sunaina had pulled out of the net, and we had a printout of that, and this girl was supposed to be an international model. We had no idea about who she was, and I used to use that picture as a reference of the kind of face we were looking for. And she was actually in Europe when I went to Prague to recce for this film. So she took a flight and she came down and we met, and I knew that it's going to be her despite all the challenges that we'd face to get her in.
Well, it's my first time, but it was really great. Everyone's really easygoing and everyone worked together, so it was all harmony and peace and love. So I really enjoyed it.
खबरी चकराया उल्टे पांव रुक गया तो बदलाया उसने हवा हवा रानी हवा.
I think Ranveer knows this film as well as I do, and he knows the ins and outs and the whole psychographic, the whole geography of this film as well as I do. And all of us, both of us, and many others, Anil and many of us have just put everything into this film.